Hey babies, if you want to see how I apply these press-on nails, stay tuned for the video.
Finish him. Fatality. Flawless victory.
Hey babies, it's your girl Lele back with another video. And today we're about to be doing a Shein press-on nail video. So today I have the short green press-on nails. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. First, I'm going to be opening up the packaging so you guys can see what the nails look like inside of the package. And here are some sticky nail tabs. I don't even use them. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But we're not going to be using them in this video. So now I'm going to be opening up the packaging and I'm going to be looking for the right size for my nails. And I'm going to apply them with some press-on nail glue. Really have been loving Shein's short nails lately. I love their short nails more than I do their long nails. To be honest, that's probably surprising because I always wear long nails, but I really do love their short nails. I don't know why, but green has been one of my favorite colors lately. Like, I've been going green crazy. I've been buying a lot of green clothing and accessories and bracelets and everything. Like, I've just been loving green. So my next look will probably be with the color green or something. I don't know, but yeah, I've been going green crazy. Let me know down in the comment section what's your favorite color. I have so many favorite colors. I love purple, blue, pink, red, black, white, green. I have so many favorite colors. Like, I might as well just list all colors because I just love every color. But what's your favorite color? Leave down in the comment section. And don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram. A lot of y'all don't follow me on Instagram, and I would really, really love it if you guys follow me on Instagram. So don't forget to follow me at Alicia the Astronaut. Yeah. I'm going to be taking my nail file and I'm going to be filing down my nails, cleaning them up. So when I press the press-on nail down with the press-on glue, they will press on even more. Basically, if you have like a rough surface and you apply the glue, the nail applies much better and it stays on very much longer. And you have a better long-lasting press-on nails. I'm finally going to be applying the press-on nails with the press-on nail glue. I usually count to 3 and hold down the press-on nails just to make sure that they're on there really good, just to make sure they're secure. And I always try to do my right hand first, so it will be better to apply the nails on my left hand because I'm right-handed. So yeah, I always try to do my left hand first, but usually I forget. But yeah, try to, if you know, do your press-on nails, apply your nails with the hand that you write with. This literally has nothing to do with the video, but I just got done watching Ozark, and I am not okay with the finale. Like, I'm not okay with the way the show ended. But yeah, y'all let me know down in the comment section what's your favorite show or what shows you're currently addicted to at the moment. But yeah, y'all know I love Euphoria, I love Stranger Things, I love anything scary, drama too. But yeah, I am so excited for season 4 for Stranger Things. Y'all know I'm a little geek. This is nothing new. A lot of y'all on my Instagram, y'all know that I always post like pictures and my favorite songs on my story. Y'all know I love Outkast. I love Rihanna. Who else? Mariah the Scientist, Smino, J. Cole. I have a lot of favorite artists right now at the moment, but those are the only ones that's coming to mind right now. Oh, Solange, Beyonce. Y'all know I listen to everything. I really listen to everything. My music taste is just all over the place. But yeah, I always post like my favorite stuff on my story and everything like that. That's why y'all need to follow me on Instagram. Like, I don't understand why y'all not following me. But yeah, go follow your girl. Almost everything that I love on there. Like, child, honestly, I post almost too much stuff on my story on Instagram. But yeah, go follow me, y'all. But yeah, y'all let me know down in the comment section what future nail videos y'all want to see me do. And I will surely try to do them. So yeah, leave it down in the comment section. Now that our press-on nails are applied, I'm going to be going in with some baby oil. And I'm just going to be rubbing my hands with the baby oil to give the nails some shine and to give our cuticles some shine and basically moisturize our hands. You can use lotion. It's totally up to you, whatever you want to use. But I always use baby oil just to finish off the nails, just to give them the shine, almost like we went to the nail salon and got a manicure. But yeah, that's what I do. And your hands also like really feel really soft when you do this. So when you apply press on nails, try to moisturize your skin. And we don't want no rough hands out here, honey. We ain't trying to do that. These are the press on nails. These came out so pretty. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about these nails. But yeah, babies, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Finish him.